As the Director of Enrollment Management at USC, I am over outreach, recruitment, retention, but my main focus is on outreach. A lot of it has to do with just exposure. So a lot of times you'll hear a student and you say, well, what do you want to do? I would like to be a mechanical engineer. Well, how did you come to that? Well, my dad's an engineer. My mom was an engineer. But we're trying to focus on the students that don't know what that is. And that is where my focus can really be, is helping them just be exposed to that. We're going to be hosting a Siemens teacher training. So we have 1 week courses for each course that they have to expose those teachers, to give them the opportunity to complete those projects because they're so hands-on.
I love the training. I also love the fact that Siemens is offering Solid Edge training anytime.
We want to give them the confidence to go back into these classrooms and be able to teach this, knowing that it can be so open-ended sometimes and so creative. I love supporting our teachers. And a lot of times when I plan our teacher professional developments, it's very open because sometimes it's that collaboration that just happens with teachers together. So we're thrilled to be able to get behind Siemens and be able to support this curriculum.
Step out of your comfort zone. Allow yourself to learn something new. Allow yourself to fail at something. Have confidence in your abilities as a teacher to communicate it to your students. Your students need this.